Otter AI is a powerful piece of software that uses machine learning to take your spoken words and convert it into text. In this video today, I'm going to give you a quick overview of Otter AI and show you how to use this powerful tool. Now, this is going to be a pretty quick, simple video just showing you some of the very basic features of Otter AI. If you want more in-depth features and more tips and tricks, go down into the video description below. There's an excellent blog article down there that goes more in depth into Otter AI, but this was just going to be a quick overview for you. So let's jump in. So Otter AI offers a lot of solutions when it comes to anything really generating audio into text. If you do just a quick overview of their website, you can see some of the tools that they have and all of the use cases they give you. And there are a lot of different ways you can use Otter AI. If you want some quick overviews on the website yourself, they give you some use cases for business, education, individuals, and so on. But let's jump in and I'll show you how to use it real quick. So all you have to do is click start for free and you can kind of sign in and try it for yourself. They offer multiple plans, and more importantly, they offered a free plan for you to try out. So I'm going to do that here, and I'm just going to start with a free plan. So one great thing about Otter is that it's pretty easy to use, and they give you a nice getting started page here to go through when you first start out. I recommend following along with those when you first start. It'll show you the ins and outs and make it a lot easier for you. You can also sync it with your Google Calendar, Microsoft Outlook, and Zoom meetings over here on the right. And if you on the left here, if you go to apps as well, you can see some other apps you can connect it to, such as Slack, Zoom, Dropbox, Google, Microsoft for your calendar and contacts. And it's really nice. But let's go back home real quick and we'll just jump through this. So I'll show you how Otter works and to just show off how cool it is. And we'll just do a test recording here. So on the top right here, you can see where it says record. I'm going to go ahead and click this, and then it'll start recording for us and it'll transcribe what I'm saying. And it's pretty sweet in real time. So we'll hit connect here. All right. Hey, this is me talking to you all. And as you can see, it takes notes very quickly and pretty accurately as well. I'm always surprised with how good this works. And you can see it's in real time and it's pretty awesome. So there you have the note-taking, transcribing ability of Otter. And it's awesome. And you can see I'm not typing. You can see my hands, and it's pretty cool. So there's that one, and that's kind of how you can use it to record. So we can hit stop recording, and now we have our note saved. Now that is just the very small surface of what Otter can do. It can do so much more and has a lot of different tools, such as Otter Pilot, which can automate your entire meeting process for you. Essentially, this jumps into meetings for you even if you're not there, and it'll take notes for you in real time, making it an invaluable tool, especially if you're like I've been in the past and have to be in way too many meetings all the time. Otter Pilot can be an invaluable tool for that. Another awesome thing that Otter can do is it can actually transcribe from files that you import. So on the top right here, you can see where it says import. If you click this, you can select any audio or video file and drop it in here for it to transcribe. So basically, you can drag and drop something in. I've thrown just an old video clip of mine. Hopefully it's decent. And then once it's done, you can go to transcript and it'll transcribe it for you, which is really cool. Very, very awesome thing it can do. Now, again, on the basic free plan, you get 300 minutes of transcribing allowed to you. If you want more, these are the different paid plans they offer. So there's a pro, a business, and an enterprise plan, which you can see here, which just are going to offer you more transcription minutes. So like the pro has 1,200 monthly transcription minutes, 90 minutes per conversation, and you can import and transcribe 10 audio video files per month, and they go up from there. If you need more, you can contact their sales team, but you can get a full detailed comparison if you just want that, show you all the different features that all of the different paid plans have for you, so you can make a choice of if this is right for you. But I always recommend just going and trying out the basic free plan, play around with it and see if this is something that would even be beneficial to you before you start paying for it. So there you have just the basics of Otter AI and some of the stuff it can do. If you want more in-depth features and more explanation of how to use it, you can go down into the video description below. There's an excellent blog article available. It goes way more in depth into all of the things Otter can do for you. So I recommend checking that out if this is of any interest to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Before you go though, make sure you like it and subscribe to our channel. We have a lot more content coming out, especially some interesting AI content. So if you subscribe to our channel, you won't miss out, and we'll see you in the next video.